Now this is just amazing. Let's go see how this goes right now. Earth be like, you're like, guys, a pyramid just dropped out of hyperspace. A pyramid just dropped out of hyperspace. The invasion commences. This pyramid is the size of the moon. The lunar pyramid will destroy Earth. Now what is this thing made of? Water. We of course know that the pyramids of Giza was made by water. The great flying water balloon of Giza. Daylight. This thing is moving at 1,250 kilometers per second, yet it can't even seem to figure out that it's meant to be going fast. Oh! Pause. Set it to 1 second per second, and let's watch the fireworks. Pyramid Giza touching down in the United States. Am I right? Ah yes, the widespread destruction of all humanity. Oh, the initial fireball didn't get to the UK. Win. So anyway, the whole planet is now being destroyed because the pyramid decided to stop. And thus the moon stopped. And thus the moon caught fire, as well as Earth. But Earth is dead. Earth is my wife left me, as well as like 80% of Earth's mass, because simulation can't run after its current settings. Is what? You want me to set the graphics to low? Disgusting! I wonder what would happen. Oh god, I've just launched a random object. Anyway, we're gonna play a game of celestial accuracy. These are two. Right, so this is Wolf, and we're gonna place another star 10 light years, 5 light years away, 20-ish light years away. Now, if you're wondering what I'm doing, right, so motion. Because what we are doing is we are going to move very fast. Say there was a planet around this, and this star was dying. They would want to go to another planet. So they'll send out a probe to investigate like a habitable candidate. What would happen if we sent that probe on a trajectory moving at speed of light. The fastest speed attainable in the universe. Alright, the monolith has just left on its course to survey distant worlds. Yeah, buddy, on it. So already we're moving at the speed of light, but you have to remember this is 30 light years. So the whole solar, so this will take 30 years to get from one place. Like, look, it's barely traveled anything. At 6 months per second, you could see the probe is now making its journey through interstellar space to get to the planet. It's barreling through space at the speed of light. So the probe has been in transit for 17 years now. Pause. Let's see how close we got. Alright, so at its closest approach, it is. So here's the monolith. And there's star. How far away is it? Distant 20 light years. Alright, so this civilization determines a possible colonization candidate. So the monolith finds a potential colonization candidate. The star is unstable and will explode. You can see it's going. You can see in these 30 years. The star's radius has increased to 4 times the radius of Jupiter, making it larger and thus die. Its luminosity is increasing a little bit. No, I wanted it the size. I wanted 4 Jupiters. So its radius is decreasing. Onto 1 Jupiter. So where's your... So the inhabitants of this planet that now live on this random rocky planet are now like, the sun is dying. It's at 4 Jupiters and its output is increasing. Now they build a ship that will evacuate all people from their home planet to the new solar system. The thing is, they need to be precise, very precise, because if it's off by like a centimeter, so this ship, the size of the moon, if I can just aim it at the center of its Damn it, why did I pick the smallest star? Here's our spacecraft. Go! So it's already left the system. It's already left the system and it's heading towards this new star. So here it is, right there. There's the object. There's it right there. Their entire population has been evacuated. So now, all we have to do is wait for this object to... Case. Oh, we just missed it. So at its closest approach, we were quite far away from Wolf. But you have to admit, so the ship completely stopped. Activated its turn on position lock. Lock, meaning that now there is a... God. Now it is quite far away. It was quite distant. It's 4,000 AU. But that doesn't matter, because now it's paused. And now colony ships can reach this new planet. And the original star can just explode. And the original star explodes. And this once amazing great world is swallowed up by the supernova and completely destroyed. Thus bringing an end to the current system. But you have to remember, they didn't leave. They left. They found a new star. They survived. So now they live on a new habitable planet somewhere. Oh, they live on a new habitable planet, which we'll just, for convenience sake, and also because I'm lazy and I don't want to terraform an entire planet. Here we go. Earth. They find a habitable planet. It's all sunshine and rainbows. The end. And the monolith has done its job. It's carried its civilization to a new planet. If you'd like to see an entire video about this, please comment down below.